Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new profiles for users on PocketBook InkPad 3 Pro. And to do this, first thing is to scroll down from top of the screen. Right here you should find a gear icon, click on that. You'll enter settings, now we can go for personalize. And there's user profiles. The first time you click on it, it will ask if you want to activate them, and if you really want to create new profile, then I would say yes. Next option is to create a profile like this. Now you can name it. Click enter, and this should create that profile. Now you can click on them to activate them, set avatar for them, copy to the new device, I guess, rename it or remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.